Hello guys, I'm Sammy from HackerBad.net, and today we're going to troubleshoot a problem with USB sticks that is fairly common, that tells you basically that your USB stick is now write protected, which is quite annoying. Now, let me just tell you, just to get started, chances are, if this happens to you, that your USB stick is actually giving up the ghost, so to speak, dying at this very moment, and I would recommend you take all the important data from your USB stick onto your desktop or wherever, just somewhere where it's safe, all the data that you still need, and then you can get started trying to fix the issue. Now, as I've said, chances are, if this happens, your USB stick is dying because this is a fail-safe mechanism in that it basically locks the system detects, or it's a hardwired system that detects that the USB stick is faulty on a physical level, cannot be used for the purpose that it was intended for anymore, and this hardwired mechanism basically locks down the USB stick. Now, if you go into your properties, you will not find many options. I have formatted mine using external tools, so I can't actually show you that much. But what you can do to troubleshoot is, for example, you can go to hardware. You could then select your USB stick. In my case, that would be the Kingston Data Traveler. You can go into properties, change settings, and if you're really lucky and your USB stick is actually not dying, you can go to policies and quick remove stuff or optimize performance in order to fix errors. Alright, if you have taken all the data off of your USB stick, you may also be able to right-click your USB stick and format it. In my case, this is not possible anymore because mine is now positively and permanently busted. But luckily, thank God, I was able to recover all the data that was important that was on this particular stick, which is awesome. And I guess this is a little miracle of the modern USB stick development, that they have hardwired solutions for when your data carrier is about to die, which I appreciate a whole lot. Now, what you can also do, which is something that a lot of people will show you on the internet, so you can go to your regedit, your registry editor. You can just search it in your Windows search bar, and you basically go into local machine system, current control, set control, and there you basically set up a storage device policies folder. Or if it already exists, you go into that one. If it doesn't already exist, you need to create a new one. And there you set up a, what was it? I think it was a D-word key. Yes, a D-word key, or a D-word, 32 or 46-bit, which you call write protect. I can just demonstrate that real quick. New, and then you just go for write protect. I'm sure you have seen this if you're researching the topic. A lot of people are showing you how to do this on the internet. This has not worked for me, and I believe it has not worked for a lot of people. You just set this to 0, and some people say that if you then restart your computer, maybe it will work, but I have not found this to be working. Also, a few USB sticks actually have buttons physically on them that allow you to lock your USB stick down. If you have any such button on your USB stick, it may help you to disengage that, obviously, but I am confident that you are educated enough to have noticed that, should that be the case. So yeah, however, as in my research has shown that in basically 80 or 70 to 80% of cases, the USB stick is just, about to die. And this is basically the signal that it's about to die, and that you should take all the data that's important off of your stick and onto a secure drive. And yeah, it's cool that developers have actually implemented such hardwired mechanisms that allow you to save your data from ultimate destruction, and I really appreciate this. Yeah, I hope I've been able to save you some time. USB sticks aren't incredibly expensive these days, so my recommendation would be just, take your data off of there, throw it away, buy another one. I mean, they cost like $5 these days, right? I'm not actually sure. I haven't bought USB sticks for quite some time, but I'm sure they're dirt cheap. So, All right, thanks you guys for watching. I hope this has helped you. I hope you were able to keep all your data, your important data, and have not wasted a lot of time on trying to fix this issue. And if you have, I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry that I haven't informed you any earlier. Thanks you guys for watching. See you guys soon.